In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Mute All feature in a Zoom meeting. Whether you're a host or co-host, this function can be a lifesaver, especially in large gatherings when you need to ensure everyone can hear the speaker clearly, without the usual background noise and interruptions. Let's dive right into it. First, make sure you're signed into your Zoom account and have started your meeting. Once your meeting is up and running, focus your attention on the bottom of the Zoom interface. You'll notice various options there, but what we're interested in right now is the Participants button. Click on that. This Participants button is quite the powerhouse. When you click on it, a sidebar appears on the right side of your Zoom window. This sidebar provides a comprehensive view of everyone who's attending your meeting. You might see a familiar name or two, but more importantly, this is where you'll manage participant interactions. Now, notice the bottom of this Participants panel. Among other controls, there's one crucial feature, the Mute All button. This is the key to ensuring a smooth, uninterrupted flow of dialogue from your presenters or main speakers. When you click on Mute All, you're given the option to mute the microphones of everyone in the meeting with just one click. It's that simple. But before you finalize the action, Zoom will prompt you with a pop-up window asking you to confirm your decision. This is a great moment to consider whether this approach is necessary at that time, as muting everyone will silence all participants, including those who might have been muted unintentionally. Once you confirm, everyone's microphones are muted. A neat tip here is that you can also choose whether or not participants are allowed to unmute themselves. It's your call depending on the type of meeting you are conducting. If it's a lecture or a presentation, keeping everyone muted might be advantageous. However, for interactive sessions, you might want to allow participants to unmute themselves to ask questions or join the discussion. And there you have it. The Mute All function is now active. Remember, using this feature effectively can vastly improve the quality of your Zoom meetings, helping to minimize disruptions and maintain focus throughout the session. Lastly, fostering an environment where participants know how to communicate effectively through other means, like using the chat function for questions, can also enhance this seamless experience. That wraps up today's guide on how to enable the Mute All function in Zoom. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on mastering Zoom and enhancing your remote working skills. Thank you for watching,